Kwa ihinda inene aikari a gicigo gia ikamba-ini matũire nyota-ini ya wagi wa mai kuona gicigo kiu kundu kuingi gikoragwo kigumeirwo ni uumu. Ni kurumirira undu uyu atongoria kaunti-ini cia Kitui, Machakos o undu umwe na Makueni mathecaniire kiara na thirikari hari waki wa ndemu iria igukorwo inene muno gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro na iria ni ya muigana wa cubic meters 681 na niguo kuhe muingi wa gicigo giki mai ma kuigana kunywa o undu umwe na ma kurima.
We also want to ask that we have local materials that can be used, and you sit down with the contractor to know what he can use, because obviously this is going to make a lot of our youth have some work to do. Minister wa mai Eugene Wamalwa augite mai maya marongoreirie kuguna makiria ma Kenya milioni 2.5 akiongerera kuga ni amurite kamiti ya mwanya kuma kaunti-ini ici ithatu iria igukorwo igitabarira mihang'o ino ya waki.
We are targeting the irrigation potential in this country. We have an irrigation potential of 3.3 million acres as a country. We have only developed about 500,000. But by January, as we said, when we open up over 400,000 acres in Galana, we will be able within this coming year to hit the target of over 1 million acres under irrigation in our country.
Ndemu ino igukorwo ina uraihu wa mita 78 na irongoreirie gukorwo ikiruta muigana wa lita milioni 134 o muthenya netanyitwo guteithiriria hari urimi wa makiria ma eka 100,000 cia irio.
The only challenge has been there are few people who have not yet been compensated, so it is my honest request this morning that Minister and the PS make sure that before the contractor comes on ground that every citizen who is to be shifted is happy, is well settled.
Kandarathi ya waki uyu ihetwo kambuni ya bururi wa China ya China Gezuba no karugorio mweri-ini wa mwambĩrĩrio mwaka ukite no ratanywo kuoya ihinda ria miaka 5 na kuria kimanjika kia mbeca itanyiheire milioni 3.5 cigitwo keheri na niguo kuriha aikari 10,000 aria maheanite migunda yao.